Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're doing any metalwork and you need to remove a finish or to deburr or clean up some metal, then I want to show you this awesome little product. These are from 3M. And this is the Scotch-Brite Body Man's Bristle Disc, and this is in the P36 grit. Now, this is a really cool product because it is made from a polymer and ceramic grit in these bristles. So it's really easy to strip and remove coatings with this, as well as just generally making it smoother, polish it, whatever you need to do, this is great. So they have the roll lock connection here. So once you get them going, they really make quick work of your job. So this is really great too, because this allows you to get into little corners and hard to reach places that might be difficult with a wire brush or a traditional flat sanding disc. So this is such a great option to not only make your life easier and having to put less pressure on things, because this really does the work for you, but it's also very durable and long lasting. And these bristles are spaced out and designed in such a way that it helps to prevent buildup and things getting stuck in here. So it just really does a great job. So if you have some metal projects coming up that are going to require removing a coating or just cleaning up the surface of the metal, then I would definitely check out these 3M Scotch-Brite bristle discs. And that is my point of view.